Weight Loss for Idiots program is a proven method to lose excess weight, without the use of pills or hours upon hours of exercising. It shows you how to get in shape quickly. The program will also boost your energy and health dramatically and improve the quality of your life. Order Weight Loss for Idiots and get the 7 free bonuses today. Bonus 1. Weight Loss Recipes. Losing weight and keeping the pounds off isn't a quick or easy process, but a few simple diet tricks can be a big help along the way. The secret is to eat foods that boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full all day long. The simple and delicious recipes inside the Weight Loss Recipes Guide will help you lose weight fast and you'll never feel hungry while doing it. Bonus 2. Fat-burning desserts. Wouldn't you like to be able to eat delicious desserts without gaining any weight? With these healthy dessert recipes you can eat tasty muffins, donuts and so much more. These desserts will help you burn fat and also boost your energy. Inside the Fat-Burning Desserts Guide you'll discover delicious desserts you can enjoy without worrying about weight gain ever again. Bonus 3. Juicing for weight loss. Freshly made raw juices, that are naturally full of nutrients like antioxidants, enzymes, minerals and vitamins, can have a remarkable effect on your body. You'll lose weight faster, experience higher energy levels, faster recovery from illness, a slowing of the aging process, a sharper mind, and better overall health. Find out how to get a healthier and stronger body with juicing in this amazing guide. Bonus 4. 3-Day Weight Loss Meal Plan. Have you ever noticed that some days you seem to gain more weight for no reason at all? Many foods affect our weight, both positively and negatively, and it is important to understand which foods to avoid and which ones to consume. The 3-Day Weight Loss Meal Plan will not only help you lose weight quickly, but also provide you with more energy throughout the day. Commit yourself for 3 days to this meal plan and effectively lose excess weight in just 3 days. Bonus 5. Detox Bath Secrets. A detox bath can help bring your body back into balance. When your body is free of toxins, it will be able to absorb and utilize nutrients better, and your metabolism will work more efficiently. Furthermore, these baths can be highly relaxing. You may also feel more balanced, and thus less likely to engage in emotional eating. The Detox Bath Secrets Guide will help you get rid of all the unwanted toxins in your body and help you lose weight faster. Bonus 6. Delicious Salad Recipes. Salads make you feel great, have more energy, stabilize your mood, and help in keeping your body as healthy as possible. Having a salad every now and then also has many advantages, so the more of them you have, the healthier you will be. Inside the Delicious Salad Recipes Guide you'll discover over 350 delicious salad recipes to help you become healthier. Bonus 7. Weight Loss Motivation Secrets. Do you find it difficult to focus on your weight loss goals after trying countless weight loss methods, without seeing any real results? Perhaps you lack the required motivation to keep trying failure after failure? Discover everything you need to know to get your motivation back inside the Weight Loss Motivation Secrets Guide. Click on the link below for more information. No shipping cost. Instant savings and no waiting. All materials are digital and sent to you instantly in PDF format. You can start today with a computer. Get instant access today for only $47. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell notification, like and share my video. In this way, you will get notified whenever I released a new video. Thanking you.